Hello everyone, this is lesson number 60, last one in HSK free, and I want to congratulate you for this achievement. So let's repeat what we learned in the last lesson. 难过, to feel bad, or also sadly, also upset, to be upset, to feel upset, sorry, sudden, difficult. So 成绩, achievement, grades. 照相机, camera, photo camera, video camera also could be. 信用卡, credit card. 玩 ball. 东 east. 背 by, or just passive voice. It's a grammar point, one of the most important one. So, but it's not so hard. Just buy. So just buy something. 关心, to care for, to be concerned with something, to take care of something. 只有什么什么才什么什么. Only if you do something, in that case, something will happen. Something like that. Only by working hard can you succeed. This 才 also can be can or that, but I think can is also good. 分, here is a lot of different meanings, but here's difference to differentiate. And first one for today is 解决, to solve. To solve, to solution, resolve. So resolve also is a good one. To overcome. I solved a problem. 我解决了一个问题. I solve. So here is solve, passive, so we need to use 了. 我解决了 I solved 一个问题. We know what 问题, it's a problem. Also, it's an issue, question, matter, subject, so could be different variety of things. 我解决了一个问题. This one is a bit hard to pronounce because it has two letters of J. So this is 解决. I recommend you to listen some Chinese speakers to maybe more native pronunciation. He cares about me solving the problem. 他关心我解决问题. 他关心, so he cares about something. So 他关心我, he cares about me. To me, solving the problem. 解决问题, to solve a problem. 解决问题. He cares about me solving the problem. Also could be another translation. He cares about me solving problems. Also this one. Solving my problem is important to him, or he's concerned. He concerns is for me to solve my problems. So more a bit clearly translation. 他关心我解决问题. 解决 to solve. Next one is 难过. Oh, 不是 feeling bad can't solve the problem. Feeling bad can't solve the problem. 难过不能解决问题. So, to be upset not help you to solve your problem. Sadness does not solve the problem, right? 难过. Here is 难过. It's also could be. I think here is it's a noun. It's a noun. 名词. 难过不能 so sadness cannot 不能解决 to solve 问题 problems. 难过不能解决问题，解决问题，对。 不能。Next one is a bit interesting. It's 是 to have a try. To have a try. 是 also could be to try, to test, attempt. So let's see. I try using the camera. 我是用照相机。I try. 我是 also looks like 我是你的朋友的，but here is another 是我是用 I try to use or I try using 我是用照相机the camera. So I try to using the camera. 我是用照相机。Next one, he tries to solve the problem. 他试着解决问题。Do you remember this? 这 represent the not present continuous. It represent long period, long action. So this action has a long period, not some quickly. So he tries now. So it's some period of time. So it's 他试着解决 to solve 问题 problems. How can you translate? Trying is a good one. Trying. 他试着 as you can see here is 试 but here is not 这 it's 试着解决问题 because it's not 解 it's not 日 it's 这他试着他试着解决问题 it's not here is in Pinyin it's not together because it's not it's not a single word but it's describe this process, right? It's demonstrate us that it's in a current state. I want to try the credit card. 我想试试信用卡。It's as you can see here is 两个 it's two part 试试 It's a common practice to use this give it a shot. Give it a shot is a good translation, so it's quickly, right? 我想试这个试试represent give it a shot to try once. We can say 试一试试一下试一会儿 so it's also could be both could be 我想试试信用卡 credit card 我想试试信用卡 Next word is 真正 really real 真正 we know 真 it's a real really actually but 真 it's positive or right so you can say it's right and real 真正 really let's see but this 真 has a lot of meaning he's a real friend 他是真正的朋友you cannot say他是真的朋友，因为真 mostly used for adverb, but sometimes you can say but if you want to say real, you can say 真正的，他是真正的朋友， or he's a real 朋友 friend. Sometimes as you can see 朋友 with zero tone, mostly with a zero tone. Okay. 他是真正的朋友 he's a real friend. Let's see another example. I really care about him. 我真正关心他。I really here's 真正 it's an adverb really. So 我真正关心 to take care of someone 他 him. So 我真正关心他 I really care about him. Next one. These are real grades. 这是真正的成绩。This is real. 这是真正的成绩。成绩 grades 成绩。这是真正的成绩。These are real grades. And last one for today and for this level, it's дома. Дома. We know до, for example, 很多, 对? A lot of. And we know 么 in 什么 what. Дома, to what extent, how. You can say how, what, so, however, but mostly let's say how beautiful the boat is. 多么漂亮的船啊！多么漂亮。So here's 多么 just 非常的意思，非常 the same meaning as 非常的意思。So 非常或者很对，很漂亮，非常漂亮，十分漂亮。You can say 多么漂亮的船啊！船 it's a boat. And just for exclamation way to say something. 多么漂亮的船啊！多么漂亮 ！How beautiful！多么漂亮的船 ！How beautiful the boat is, or how beautiful the 船 is. Next one. How sad he is. As you can see, we always use exclamation mark and the end, and we can use here's a, also here's a, just for more expression. 他多么难过啊！难过 here's sad. 他很难过的，非常难过，多么难过啊 ！How sad he is. And last one, what great grades. What a great grades. You can better say. What a good result. So 多么好的成绩，多么 so here's 非常好，很好，多么好的成绩，成绩 grades 成绩 achievement. Or here's mostly grades. 多么好的成绩，多么好的成绩。And let's repeat what we learned today. It was a lot of, but still. 解决 to solve 解决是 to have a try 是真正 real really and 多么 to what extent how or how beautiful how so where it is the same meaning says 非常或者很多么 and let's learn one new idiom for today. We have learned about 60 idioms. It's not, of course we don't remember everyone, but still we just for exploration purpose. Let's repeat two previous. The man from Qi worries about the sky. Unnecessary worry. 杞人忧天，杞人忧天。And last night, sit in a well and watch the sky. Or narrow-minded. 坐晴观天，坐晴观天。And today, this one is very popular in China. 画饼充饥，画饼充饥。画 it's to draw something. 饼 it's a cake or piece of bread also could be. 充 it's to feel something, and 饥 it's a hunger. Well, do you remember 我很饿 here's I'm hungry, but it's a hunger. So 饥 what does it mean? Draw cake, feel hunger. draw a cake to satisfy hunger, or empty promises. Promises. His empty promises are useless. 他画饼充饥没有用。So here is empty promises. 他画饼充饥没有 does not have 用。Here is 用 like use 没有 so are useless or not have a usage 没有用 not have utilized doesn't have usage 他画饼充饥没有用画饼充饥 pie in the sky pie in the sky also a good translation pie in the sky and let me check тешить себя неутешительными. So pie in the sky is better than empty promises. So also could be. 画饼充饥，画饼充饥. So when you dream of something but you do not do something, or you can say, in future I will be very rich, but now I can relax. So because empty promises. So that's all for this level. See you in the next one. HSK4.